Bank Ross Lake trailhead. Today we're going to be taking that for about 2 miles, 2.5 miles or so, and then we're going to be doing Little Jack Mountain. Should be around 11 to 13-ish miles, a couple thousand feet of elevation gain. So far it's just been really gorgeous, clear skies, beautiful views. Really excited, and should be an awesome day. We just hit the trail junction with Little Jack Mountain Trail. So we've done this East Bank Lake Trail for about 2.8 miles. Took us around an hour, a little shorter. So it's around 10 o'clock-ish, and we're gonna start taking this Little Jack Trail up. It's about 4.5, and this is really where the trail should get steeper and we should actually gain some elevation. But so far it's just been a beautiful day. It's been a pretty easy trail and it's been a lot of fun.
As you reach for water, on the hills by the lake you were chasing your dream, and I gave you a rose that you kept unseen, kept unseen. It was worth the fight.
So we've been hiking for about 6 hours or so. We've probably covered 8 to 9-ish miles. My GPS thing is saying we're at around 6,200 feet or so, which supposedly is like 400 feet above the actual Little Jack Mountain. And so I don't know exactly where, because there seems to be a summit down to our left and then a summit up to our right. The summit up to our right just seems far away. It's around like 3 o'clock, and so we're thinking that we need to turn around soon. So we've kind of just stopped, had some snacks, and are going to go soon. But I've been feeling pretty good. There's a section there for a while that I felt pretty tired. But I saw a couple views, and every time that just gives me a lot of energy to keep going. So far it's just been a beautiful day. Just been super fun to be out here.
Kept on seeing.